So hello my friend, you said you trade crypto. I'm a crypto trader too now. How are you? So we are both colleagues.
So which kind of crypto trading do you do? Me, I trade in the spot market. I do spot trading. What about you?
Oh my man, I trade futures.
My brother, you are not a crypto trader. You are nothing but a gambler. Jesus. What is the meaning of that one? You don't buy anything. You don't sell anything. You only speculate on the future prices of tokens. But you see, in spot trading, we do actual buying and selling. When we buy, you will see what we have bought in our wallet. We buy low and we sell high. You people that are trading futures, you people, you are using your future to play.
You dey use your future to play. You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation to play. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic encyclopedia pre-calculation of Jajatica.
You are just doing gambling.
Let me tell you, I did not want to disrespect your specialization in crypto. But now that you have started it, let me tell you, there is nothing special in spot trading. Anybody can buy low and wait for several weeks for price to go up and sell. It is very, very simple. Even my grandmother can do it. The real skill of a trader is tested in futures. You know, future is not a one-way traffic. In futures, you make money whether the market is going up or down. So you have to do market analysis to decide on the direction the market is going. But in spot, you can enter the market blindly. In crypto, what goes up must come down. Then you start to wait for several weeks for price to go above your initial buy price so that you will sell. So you too, you are not a trader. You are just an investor. You invest by buying low and start waiting helplessly. You are helplessly waiting. You can be in floating loss for 6 weeks. You are not making anything. You will keep waiting. So what is your skill as a trader? You should be a waiter, not a trader. Because all of you, I see you waiting. After you bought a token and the price falls below, what can you do to make money at that point? Nothing. You are stranded. But me, I'm making money on a daily basis. Why? Because I can analyze with my technical analysis. I can tell where the market is going and I'm making money either up or down.
Let me tell you, there is nothing as important as a peace of mind in this world. Let me tell you, I do not have the heart to trade futures. The futures market is too risky. No matter how hard you try, you must make losses. So many manipulation here and there. The whales can manipulate the market anyhow. But you see, spot is a peace of mind. There is no fear of liquidation. You simply wait and make your cool money. And let me tell you that you are talking about being in floating losses for a long time. One with sufficient capital, it is not likely for the market to continually fall till your capital is exhausted. Then you will now start to wait. People that experience that kind of wait and floating loss is people that don't have sufficient capital to trade. So even if the market is going down and the price of the token that I am trading is going down, no matter how low it goes, I will continue to buy low, buy low, buy low. Any small rise in price, I sell off in profit. Because you know, in a crypto, whether the market is going up or down, it does not continually go down without making small upward movement every now and then. Those small upward movement, I will sell the ones that I bought lower than that upward movement price. You understand the no-go? So that is the strategy. I know how to do my dollar cost averaging very well. I will be opening plenty margin calls. As the market is going down, I buy low. Any small upward movement, I sell those ones that I bought low at that immediate higher price, anticipating an upward surge in the market again.
Alaye, keep quiet. That is why we say that spot traders are just investors. That is why you need huge capital. Who has huge capital to trade crypto in this economy? That means that spot trading is not for the common man. It is for rich people like you. See, at futures, we grow our small money into big money. See, at futures, you make money on a daily basis. Meanwhile, at spot, you can be on one trade for 3 months without earning a penny. But you see, we all have daily needs. So we need to be making money daily. And that is why futures is better. We know there's always market manipulation by the whales. But if you play your game right, you are going to make money. You are afraid of the risk in futures. Let me tell you, risk and reward, they go together. That is how our forefathers feared risk till poverty hugged them. If you want to make money, interact with risk.
I don't know how good a trader you are, but no matter how good a trader you are, you can never totally eliminate the risk in futures. You can only minimize it.
Alaye, let me to tell you, I don't know how good a trader you are, but no matter how good a trader you are, you cannot control the market. In spot trading, you are at the mercy of the market. If the coin you are trading goes down, there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Your skill cannot make the coin to rise again. So you have to wait. The market will condition you. But in futures, you condition the market based on your skill set. Because the market is either going up or down. With my technical analysis, if the market is going down, I go down with it and I make my money. If it's going up, I follow it. But you are always helpless when the coin value drops.
It's enough. Please let me come in here. Both of you are actually correct. Okay, the spot market offers lower risk than the futures market. You know that risk is directly proportional to rewards. So what that means is that the potentials of earning money is bigger in the futures market than in the spot market. Okay, because it's a function of risk. And let me tell you, if you are the type that is laid back, go for spot, especially if you have substantial capital. Okay, spot market requires substantial capital for you to earn something tangible and for you to continually make money even in a bearish market, so that you won't stay floating for weeks, while you can grow your capital very fast in futures, even though you'll be interacting with more risk. But the truth of the matter is that whether you are trading spot or you are trading futures, it is better for both of you to look for a very powerful cryptocurrency trading robot that can handle all your trades for you, so that you won't put your emotions into the trade. Your wife pissed you off, your girlfriend broke up with you, you now go and be taking bad trades. Take the emotions out of it. Look for a very good cryptocurrency trading robot that can handle both your spot trading and your futures trading. A robot that uses artificial intelligence by way of deep machine learning to extremely minimize the risk in the futures market. A crypto robot that will select coins by itself, know when to enter the market and exit by itself, without you doing any settings whatsoever. A crypto robot that has mastered both spot and futures trading. A crypto robot that makes you make money on a daily basis even though you are trading spot. Unlike some other robots in the spot market that will leave you floating and waiting for several weeks and months without earning anything, this crypto robot in the spot market enables you to make money on a daily basis because it carefully handpicks several coins that have very good volatility, up to like 20 coins. It will evenly spread your capital across all of them, no matter how little your capital is. Trust me, if 5 out of those 10, 15 or 20 coins are not moving and giving you money, the rest of them will move and give you something on a daily basis. Those that put all their eggs in one basket, they are the ones that remain floating for a long time. And that's what many other robots do.
Such a robot exists. A robot that will select coins by itself. A robot that will calculate the direction of the market and will be taking profit without me doing any technical analysis, without me looking at a trading view drawing charts everywhere like a madman. One, please tell me about this robot.
Look in the description of this video. You will find a link to register for the robot. As soon as you register, send me a WhatsApp message via the WhatsApp link provided there for further guidance. The days of manual trading are over, okay? So you people should not be here arguing that you are trading manually. You should be ashamed of yourself. Technology has made life easier. Both of you should shake each other's hands, and both of you should contact me so that I will show you a robot that will trade both spot and futures for you, make more money for you, and you will have more freedom and lesser blood pressure than the ones that you have now. Okay, shake hands and become friends again.
Omo Yoruba, the futures trader, my very, very good friend.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi àtàtà, ọmọ Igbo. Now that Victor Isibor has given us a solution to our problem, we are now friends. We are now happy. Let us be enjoying ourselves. Our days of technical analysis are over.